Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about the tables, how you can create the table, how you can alter the table, how you can drop the table. So creating a table that will help you to understand how you can create a table and adding a columns there. And after creating the table, how you can modify the data, column name, position, or updating their the data types. So that's we are going to learn in the alter functionality. And then we'll be dropping the table. That means is how we can delete the table from our database. So that's the all agenda of this video. So let's get started. What are the content I have? In this video, going to cover up create table, rename the table, and alter the table. In the alter the table, we'll be adding a column in the table. We'll be rename the column and update the data types, and we'll be dropping the column. How we can remove the column from the table, and finally we'll be dropping a table from here. So now here quickly I write the some of the example here how you can create the table. So this is the format: create table, employees, employee ID, first name, and you can put the details. And here is a command to rename the table, how you can rename the table. And then it is for alter employees, how you can add a one more column into the existing table. And this is for how you can rename the column in the inside the table, how you can rename the column. And then this is like a how you can update or modify the data type. And then this is for drop column name, how you can drop the column from the table. And then finally we'll be dropping the table. So let's get started and we'll do the practical in our server. So now I am inside my the server, SQL Server. So let me open the SQL Management Studio. So as soon you type the SQL, that the my SQL Server Management Studio, you can open this. Uh, Now just connect it, and let's start from here. Now go to the new query, and inside the new query here is the data, in which data you want to select. So in my last video how I showed you how you can create the database. Either you can select it from here or you can use the command. So use this is for prod db. So you can select and you can just execute, so automatically this database will select here if you want to use this command. And then now we are going to create the table. So how I shows you, let's use that command. Remove this, create table. I'm sorry, my keyboard. Create table and the name employee. I'm putting the employee, and now start and double enter, close your table. And now inside here we need to write everything what we need, like emp employee id I need. Then let me put the comma, employee id, the first name, first underscore name, comma, last underscore name, comma, office underscore location, then department, anything whatever you like you can give the details here. So like when the employee was hired, so it's a hire date, and then it's a HOU, hourly payment. Okay, cool, we are done. Now we need to define the database type also, what type of data it is. If you are not defining, then you cannot execute this query. So employee ID always will be in a some numeric number. So let's me define the int. So it will take all these int value that will come under the ints. And now here this data will be in your alphabet. So the data types will come under varchar, varchar, varchar. And how many digit it will support, let's enter inside it. So maximum I'm giving the 20 digit, so maximum 20 words it can take in. Now let me put this office location also will be something like that. Department also will be varchar, and date should be the data type should be a date, and your hourly payment will be in decimal, DESIMAL, decimal. And how many digits you want? I need only the 4 digits and the two after your dot, like the decimal values. So now we are good with this. We write it this complete query. Let me just drop down this if I can. Yeah, so now you can see in the complete query here. Let me go to the database and shows you whether the table is already exist or not. So we don't have any table inside my the prod DB. So I'm going to create this table. Name is a employee. Now select this, click here on the execute. So now the command has successfully run and it's created table. How I can see it? Go to the refresh button and go to the inside table, and here what you have, the table name is called employee. Either you can check the data details here. Employee ID is int, and this is a varchar, this is a varchar, this is varchar, this is date, and the decimal value. Let me show you how you can pull the data from this table and can see the output. So go to the select start from employee. As soon you type the word, that will automatically intelligence automatically work and it will detect. So now here is the your the employee table is created, and then execute this. Now here you can see all the column what we define when we just creating a table. So employee ID, first name, last name, office location, department, hire date, hourly payment. So that's how you can pull the data, and that's how you can create the table. So our next goal is to how I can rename the table, any of the table, how can I rename it. So to rename this, we need to use the exec command, exec exec, and now sp underscore rename. So it's there. Now use this command, and now use the table name what you have currently. So it's my the table name is a employee, EMPLOYEE. It's an employee, and I need to change it to what's the value I can give here. It's a, I can define it's a employees. So anything goes wrong here? No, I think we are good. Okay, so here is something is missing. DBO dot it. Okay, so SP rename is showing some error. Exec SP rename, comma, you're the first table name. Okay, so this is a not right format. Okay, now cool. Now what we have the DBO employee and dot we are going to change with the employees. Let me put the S here. Just execute this. So once we execute, now this table got renamed. So this table is no more and it replaced with the employees. Let's let's refresh this part and see what the table we have. Now we have the employees table. So employee table is renamed to the employees. Let's try to pull the data. Select SE start from employee. See, it's still it's showing the employee name, but it's not giving the intelligence employees. If you are in the same situation, what you need to do, you need to close your SQL server and reopen it. So intelligence will update the table name. But let's give it a try. This table is not available in the database. That's why it's throwing the error. Let me just give it a try with the employees. So now we have the table, but still this table is showing an error, but actually it is there, it should not shows the error. Why it is showing? Because your SQL intelligence is detecting this table is not available in the SQL. So what I can do, let me just close this console and I can show you how to fix such issues if your intelligence is not working. Okay, cool. Now let's reopen up again SQL. So SQL intelligence will update the table name inside it, and then you will not get the error while pulling the data. So let's reopen this console, and now here is go to this query, change your database, and again type the select start from employees. So now you can see in here, now intelligence got updated and it's showing the employees table name, and now you can execute it so you won't get the error. So if you have any problem, either you can leave this SQL server ideal just for 5 minutes, or you can close and reopen, so this will fix your issue. So now we rename this table, and our next agenda is what do you need to do? I want to add a one more column in my table. So what's the table I have here? Let me go and see. I would like to add one more column in this table, inside the table. How can I do? I need to use the alter command. So this is a alter table, T-A-B-L-E, alter table, and the table name, EMPLOYE, employees, sorry. So employees, and then now add what I need to add. Give the column name here, whatever you want, like suppose mobile underscore number, and then their data type. So mobile number will be a int value, int. I'm giving the mobile number value int, or you can define the varchar also. It's up to you, whatever you need it. But let me okay, let me give it to the int only. So now I'm ready to add a one more column. Let me go here, and this is renamed to your added a one more column here. So now what can do, just refresh this table and see what are the columns is there or not. So now the mobile number is added here, and it's showing. If you want to pull the report, you can just select start from employees table. Just select only this and execute the command. So you have the output here is the mobile number is added here. Now, if suppose you want to rename this column, or you want to what I can do, I can just update this value. Suppose I want to change for the department varchar value is a 20, and I would like to update this value to 25. So that's what the my agenda. Next goal is to change this value. Okay, so what I can do, the alter, rename this part, and this is alter the table. Okay, I am in the table, and then alter column, column, alter column, and which data I want to modify it. That is for uh, department, department, department varchar, and what's the value we would like to update it, it's 25. So now here is a value is a 20, and I would like to add it for 25. Let's execute this. So now let's refresh this and validate the value is updated or not. So that's how you can change the value, increase the value, or you can change the data type as well. If you have the data in varchar, you can change it to int or something else. Now what's the next practical is, how can I rename my column? So to rename the any column, you need to use the sp underscore rename. Okay, so sp rename comma this, which one I want to change it, put it the name of the column, mobile, it's a mobile underscore number, and to where I want to change it, give the new name here, contact, sorry, contact, and number, And now here where we are changing this inside the column, so put the here and the column, column column, and then that's all. So now we are ready with our command. I'm going to change this column name mobile number to the contact number, and let's execute this command. Oops, sorry. Execute this command. Okay, so something goes wrong in my command. What is that? It's a sp. Let me just quickly validate. Sp underscore rename. This is my the table name. Oh, okay, sorry. The one thing I missed out here, you need to add the table name as well, or else it won't understand what is the table name. So table name is employees, employees dot mobile number, and now we are good. Okay, so it's done. So now my table column name is mobile number is changed to the contact number. Let's see here if I can go here and can refresh. So now you can see it got changed to the contact. And if you want to see the detail, just type it select start from the table name employees and just execute this command. Cool. So now the next practical is how you can drop a column. So I would like to delete this column, the contact number from my the table. How can I do that? So that is for a use again the alter command. So alter table employees, and now go to inside the alter. Now alter column. So enter column, and what's the column name is a contact number. Sorry, alter. I need to use the drop column, drop column, and the column name. So the column name is a contact underscore number. I want to remove this column from my table, so let's do it now. Execute. So command has successfully executed now, and let's validate whether the this column is available or not. Either I can do the refresh here and see. Now the contact number has removed from here. Select start from employees table and just see. So now here we don't have any column contact number, so the column is deleted from this table. So that's how you can use the alter command in your SQL, or how you can drop any the column. And guys, the finally practical is for your how you can drop the table itself. So let's see how we can do that. So the command is the drop table and the table name. It's a employees. So I would like to remove this table completely. I want to destroy this table, want to remove it. So guys, when you are doing this task, be careful. If you delete the table, you will lost the data and you can't able to recover it. But we are in the lab, let's do the practical. Now this command is executed and we successfully drop this table. Now if I go to this database and refreshing this table is no more in my database. So you can see in it here the employees table has gone. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you understand well how you can alter, how you can create the table, how you can drop the table, and how you can use the alter functionality. Thank you guys. See you soon in my next video.